A stimulus check is still possible. Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read every one of them. Okay. Everyone on unemployment will not get the $400 boost that Donald Trump has signed an executive order on. In this executive order, you must make at least $100 in unemployment benefits to get this boost. People in California on average gets $40 a piece for unemployment. Therefore, they will not get this boost. This is not fair. Not fair at all. If he's going to do this, he needs to make it just like the regular boost was. If you make $1 on unemployment, you qualify for it. But this, you have to make $100 per week on unemployment to get it. It's just not right. He also talks about setting records. Well, yeah, we are setting records on people returning back to work. But it's not hard to set a record if millions and millions and millions of people loses their job, and then all of a sudden 2 million people goes back to work. That looks like we're setting a record, but it's not really setting a record. You don't set records until everybody goes back to work, and then the people above that goes back to work. The above that is the record you're setting. It's easy to set a record if nobody's working. Another thing with the $400 boost that he signed the executive order on, Trump said the feds will kick in 75%, which is $300. And it would be up to the states to kick in the 25%, which is $100. He also said that if they don't kick in the 25%, the $100, that's just on them. So this $400 boost is now really only $300 because very many states is not going to do this. So that $400 is now reduced to $300 if they don't kick in. And I don't believe they will. Y'all, we can still get a stimulus check if when Congress comes back from their recess. They're not going to be in no hurry to come back from recess now because these executive orders has just took the hurriness out, if there ever was any. Now they're going to enjoy the recess and then come back. And they're not going to move fast when they come back. But when they come back, they could still pass a bill for the remaining stuff that was on the table, including a stimulus check. So we could still get a stimulus check. It's just going to be further down the road. They're still kicking the can, you know. Wherever that can lands, that's where we'll get the stimulus check. But everybody's taking a turn at kicking it. So, yeah, we can still get a stimulus check. And it could still be $1,200 to $2,000. We don't know. Most people are saying it's going to be $1,200. That's on the chopping block. We don't know how much. It could be smaller than that because they're in no hurry. They have less bargaining power now. So we'll just have to wait and see on that. I don't know if it's possible, but in my head, I think the best thing that could happen is for Donald Trump to rescind these orders, take them back, and let the House and Senate hash it all out. Because in the long run, people are happy right now that's on unemployment because they're getting their unemployment. But if they stop and look at it, they're going to see, well, this is hurting. Yeah, they're getting their unemployment, $300 to $400, but they're losing the stimulus check. It's like winning the war but losing the battle. stimulus check could have been $1,200. It could have been $2,000. That's gone. But what do they got? $300 to $400. Y'all, on the last video that I had, I was trying to explain this, and some people got upset with me. But this is the facts. These stimulus orders hurts us more than they help us. Yeah, we get something now, which we wasn't getting anything. But in the long run, it's going to hurt us. Y'all, I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. And I will be back as soon as something else breaks. Or, if not before, it'll be tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Please subscribe to my channel. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.